can't recreate that. Bad boy. You don't do that.
Cat, what happened?
Michael pulled the chair out of Mom's reach and she fell down and all the floor wrenching his skin like
No, we're on the floor except for Michael.
He's laughing.
He's a bad boy. You're bad. You don't do that. You're gonna hurt somebody. You don't do that. No. No.
He got back at you.
Go.
I like those wolves.
Wait till he does it to you. That's funny.
He already did it to me.
That's how it happened. And then Mom fell down. Cat, go recreate how Mom fell down. Go over there.
I like these.
I thought the chair broke.
No, I got about here. I was like, wait, there's nothing there. And I kind of went straight down. I didn't go back because I just like.
No, you were so.
I looked at you like, wait, there's nothing. And I hit my elbow.
That was slow motion.
It was slow motion.
Whoa.
That was very slow. If I would have thought about it, I probably could have just, hovered. I just kept going. I kept going.
Michael was there the whole time just laughing.
He's luck. I didn't hear. You know how you do the chair move?